Hello students, welcome to my lecture. In this video I will discuss a problem from previous IIT-JEE mains question from the topic collisions and center of mass. The question as follows: as per the given figure, a small ball P slides down the quadrant of a circle and hits the other ball Q of equal mass which is initially at rest. Neglecting the effect of friction and assume the collision to be elastic, velocity of the ball Q after collision will be. So this ball comes down. After reaching here, it will acquire the speed. With that speed, it will hit the mass Q. So that means the ball P, when it reaches to the ground level, will acquire a speed some U. So, and it will hit the mass which is at rest. So then after collision what happens? So this is the P and this is the Q. So after the collision, the ball Q will move with the same velocity as that of P and P come to rest. This is the idea you might know from the basic principles. So in perfectly elastic collision, the one which is at rest will get the same kinetic energy of that P. Okay, so this can be proved simply from the conservation of linear momentum and E equal to 1. So if we apply conservation of linear momentum and the coefficient of restitution definitions, that can be clear very easily. Okay, fine. So then what is the velocity the ball P will acquire after reaching to this ground level? It is simply the loss in gravitational potential energy will be equal to gain in kinetic energy. So we assume that it is given as a small ball, so I can ignore the rolling of the body, or I will consider only translational motion of the body. So mgh will be is equal to half mv square. So from here I'll get the speed u will be is equal to root 2 gh. So that is u will be is equal to square root of 2 into g value it is 10. Height is given as 20 centimeters. So that is 0.2 meters. So that means I'll get a square root of 4. It will be of 2 meters per second. Okay, so you remember this point in perfectly elastic collisions. So the one which is at rest here, the one which is in motion, after the collision, if they are identical, the rest one will move, the motion one will come to rest. This is true for identical bodies only. This is true for equal masses. Okay, thank you.